Discover the top Amazon home and kitchen gadgets that perfectly blend smart design with everyday practicality. From time-saving tools to stylish organizers, these picks will make your daily routine feel effortless. Check out all product links in the description below. Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit. Keep your pantry fresh with this automatic mason jar vacuum sealer kit. Compatible with both regular and wide-mouth lids, it locks in flavor and extends shelf life with ease. Perfect for storing dry goods, coffee, and homemade preserves. Simple, cordless operation for quick sealing anywhere. A must-have tool for organized, long-lasting food storage. Folding Chef Knife. Experience precision cutting with this ultra-sharp 4.8-inch 440A stainless steel blade. Designed with a natural olive wood handle for comfort and balance. Folds compactly for safe storage and portability. Ideal for outdoor cooking, camping, or barbecue trips. Combines Japanese craftsmanship with modern practicality. A chef's essential wherever you cook. Dash Mini Maker Electric Griddle. Create quick, delicious meals with this compact electric griddle. Perfect for pancakes, cookies, eggs, and more. Ideal for breakfast on the go. Features a non-stick surface, indicator light, and included recipe book. Small but mighty for any kitchen or dorm. Enjoy effortless cooking in minutes. Bee Splendor. Power your day with this sleek countertop blender featuring patented blending technology. Delivers silky smoothies and shakes with professional consistency. Includes a portable straw cap system for drinks on the go. Modern design fits any kitchen aesthetic. Blends smarter, faster, and smoother every time. Joseph Extendable Dish Drying Rack. Dry dishes in style with this stainless steel extendable rack. Expands to fit your counter and holds dishes, utensils, and glassware securely. Features a movable drainer, non-scratch supports, and an integrated spout for easy drainage. Keeps your kitchen organized and spotless after every meal. OXO Good Grips Egg Slicer. Slice eggs perfectly every time with this precision tool. Stainless steel wires cut cleanly for salads, sandwiches, and garnishes. Features a comfortable, non-slip grip for effortless use. Durable, compact, and dishwasher safe. A small gadget that makes food prep beautifully simple. Tart Pan with removable bottom. Bake professional quality tarts and quiches with this 9-inch non-stick pan. Crafted from durable carbon steel for even heating and crisp crusts. Includes a removable bottom and crust shaper ring for easy release and perfect presentation. Ideal for baking parties, holidays, or everyday treats. Trend Plain Glass Olive Oil Sprayer. Control your cooking with this 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser and sprayer. Perfect for air fryers, salads, barbecues, and everyday meals. Made from durable glass with a sleek white finish that complements any kitchen. Delivers fine, even mist for healthier cooking. Elegant, functional, and easy to refill. Gorilla Grip Garlic Press and Peel Set. Crush and mince garlic effortlessly with this heavy-duty press. Built with a sturdy, ergonomic handle for maximum comfort and control. Includes a silicone peeler for quick clove prep and easy cleanup. Ideal for garlic, ginger, or nuts. A powerful kitchen essential built to last. Tri-ply Stainless Steel Sauté Pan. Cook like a pro with this 5-quart tri-ply stainless steel sauté pan. Distributes heat evenly for perfect searing and simmering. Features a stay-cool handle, matching lid, and oven-safe construction. Works on all stovetops, including induction. Durable, versatile, and dishwasher safe for everyday use. Joseph Multi-Grip Mandolin. Slice fruits and veggies precisely with this handheld adjustable mandolin. Comes with a secure food grip for safety and comfort. Sharp adjustable blades create uniform slices in seconds. Dishwasher safe and easy to store. Simplify meal prep with professional results. Tofu Press. Extract water from tofu quickly and cleanly with this durable, dishwasher-safe tofu press. Ideal for silken to extra firm varieties, it ensures better texture and flavor absorption in every dish. Compact, easy to use, and built for daily meal prep. a must-have for plant-based and health-conscious cooks. Techwood Indoor Grill. Grill indoors without the smoke using this advanced electric Korean BBQ grill. Features turbo smoke extractor technology and a clear glass lid for clean, even cooking. Includes a removable non-stick plate and dishwasher-safe drip tray. Perfect for year-round grilling and shared meals at home. Wearing commercial gelato panini press. Craft delicious gelato paninis and desserts with this professional-grade press, built for heavy-duty commercial use with durable stainless steel construction. Heats evenly and locks in flavors for gourmet-quality results. A premium tool trusted by chefs and dessert artisans alike. Ninja DCT451 Smart Double Oven. Revolutionize your kitchen with this 12-in-1 smart double oven. Features flex door design, built-in thermometer, and smart finish technology for perfect timing. The top oven delivers rapid convection, while the bottom air fries to crispy perfection. Stainless steel build meets advanced culinary performance. NutriBullet Triple Prep System. Blend, process, and mix with the all-in-one NutriBullet Triple Prep System. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for smoothies, doughs, and sauces. Includes multiple attachments and an intuitive control dial. Sleek black design complements any countertop. Your complete kitchen solution in one system. AMZ Chess Coffee Grinder. Grind beans to perfection with 48 precise settings for espresso to drip brew. Features a burr grinding system, LED touch controls, and anti-static design for a mess-free experience. The detachable funnel stand adds convenience and stability. Enjoy barista-level coffee at home every morning. Mueller Pro Vegetable Chopper. Prep faster with this 8-blade food chopper and Mondaline slicer combo. Cuts, dices, and slices vegetables with precision and ease. Includes a large container for mess-free prep and easy storage. Built from durable materials for long-term use. A kitchen classic trusted by cooks since 2013. Sopato Potato Ricer. Achieve smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes every time with this stainless steel potato ricer. Designed for both home and commercial kitchens, it's sturdy, comfortable, and easy to clean. Perfect for purees, gnocchi, or baby food. Upgrade your cooking with effortless, professional quality results. Upgraded 4-cup egg frying pan. Cook perfectly shaped eggs and pancakes with this non-stick granite-coated frying pan. Features 4 deepened grooves for uniform cooking and a raised handle for safety. Compatible with gas and induction cooktops. A fun and practical tool for busy breakfasts and creative meals. Finamil Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Grind fresh flavor with this award-winning battery-operated seasoning set. Features adjustable coarseness, ceramic grinding elements, and an LED light for precision. Includes 2 Quick Change Pro Plus pods for effortless spice swaps. A sleek, thoughtful gift for home chefs and food lovers alike. Techwood Raclette Table Grill. Bring everyone together with this 2-in-1 electric raclette and Korean BBQ grill. Features a non-stick grill plate, 8 cheese melting pans, and 1500-watt fast heating power. Removable parts make cleanup simple. Perfect for dinner parties, family nights, and cozy indoor feasts.